Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in Glossybox March 2023, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, we're unboxing Glossybox March 2023. If you're new to the subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. Every month you will receive 5 beauty products, from makeup to skincare. For the info about the price and everything, because I can't remember, I will pop in the description box below. I'm really sorry. All the link, all the info will be in the description box below. So yes, let's open this box. So it came with their usual pink box this month. It's really cute one. I always get them to storage my things. And this month, lovelies, if you're one of the lucky one, you will get the ticket for Frozen in London. So yeah, it says prepare to let it go, Frozen the West and Magical one, which it will be in the Theatre Royal, Drury Lane, London. And then on the top we have also the card, which this month theme is the Dreamy Days, and you need to scan this one. So I just scanned up QR code, lovelies, and let's see the spoiler for next month. This is the spoiler for next month. We don't have the specific item, but we have a theme for next month, which is the Bloom and Grow. With our April edition, you will really blossom. While nature celebrates its radiance comeback, now it's the perfect time to let ourselves grow and flourish. Allow yourself the time to get back to your beauty roots, and let nature inspire you with the products inside our April box. It doesn't feel like spring at the moment or summer. It feels like winter again. It's so cold outside. It's so freezing cold. And then we have also the Easter egg one, lovely. It will come soon. I did my lineup spoiler for that one. I will pop on the top here, so if you are curious what's inside. Here it says, with March marking the first day of spring, we also open a new beauty door. We want to inspire you with romantic makeup looks, delicate fragrance, and skincare as light as a feather. The March box is full of surprising product must-haves in refreshing colors to elevate your spring beauty routine. Your start into the new season will be light-hearted. So yeah, let's see each product. Here we have the ribbon, as always, the pink tissue paper, always here. This is from Jorgobe. This is the niacinamide serum. The evidence-based concentration of 5% niacinamide recreates the natural balance of the skin, reduces the appearance of impurities, and contributes to a refresher and more even skin tone. It has 15 ml. I hope you can see it, lovelies. And this is a travel size, because I have a full size of this product, and I tried this one before, and it's really nice. It's really a lightweight serum, and this one is says concentrated and nutritious. This niacinamide serum from Jorgobe will give your skin a new lease of life. The skin-loving ingredients of agaricon, mushroom, hyaluronic acid, and allantoin will protect, tighten, and smooth your skin tone whilst balancing your natural hydration. So yes, and this one is worth 10 pounds. The next one we have here, and this is from COLLAB, Wow, the 1-minute transformation styling cream. I'm really curious to try this product, and as you know, I have like a hate-love relationship from this brand, because few of their products I really do like them, but few of them it didn't work on my hair. So this one, it says it's worth 9 pounds, and it's a travel size, and it says smooth and tame your frizz with COLLAB Wow 1-minute transformation, perfect for on the go. This quick frizz fix will recondition dehydrated hair, banish bed head, and give a glossy fake blow dry in a minute. Oh, I'm really curious to try, really, because as you can see, I really have like a frizzy hair at the moment. I washed it yesterday, so yeah, quite frizzy, so This will be a good one. And then the next one we have here, and this one I never heard from this brand. This is the, I think, TYNT Phantom Liner, Liquid Dip Liner with Precision Tip. Here we go, the product outside, and then we'll see inside. Here we have in the shade Espresso. Oh, really nice packaging. Here we go. And inside, ooh, it's very like a thin applicator. Let's try it. Oh, it's brown shade, which is a good thumbs up because I use brown more than black one. It's very pigmented. I don't know if it will smudge because I never tried product from this brand before, but yeah, it's very pigmented, very precision one. I hope you can see it, lovelies. Here we go, the shade, and this one is a full size and it's worth 15 pounds. So here it says, get the perfect win with TINT's liquid eyeliner. With a color-rich formula, this product will glide onto your skin seamlessly and will give you a strong color payoff to create your unique eye looks. So yes, it's very pigmented. I'm not sure if it's smudge. Oh guys, look, it's dry and it doesn't smudge. Wow, just wow. It feels like attached to my skin. It doesn't smudge once dry. So let me try to take off with the wipes. Yeah, it take off easily, but once dry, it doesn't move at all. The next one we have here, and this is from Aurica. We had a few products from this brand before in our Glossybox, and this is the solid fragrance stick, and this one is worth 17 pounds, and this is a full size, so it does look like the one that we received before. I really do like it. I finish it and they smell gorgeous, but I never heard of the perfume stick before. This one, it says cardamom rose woods. Wow, it's look like lipstick. It does look like a lipstick. It has a packaging and it does look like this inside. Smells nice. Smells really nice, lovelies. I love the smell. It's not really like overpowering scent, so yes. So this one, it says, add a wave of freshness with the solid fragrance stick from Aurica. Iconic, buildable, and personalized. Apply this perfume to your wrist, neck for a feminine touch to your aura. And as I said, I never tried this kind of like applicator, so I'm really curious to try. So yes, so the last product we have here, lovelies, you either receive the Skin & Co Roma, the Citrus Amaro Hand Cream, which is rated for 8 pounds, which is a travel size, or either the Prey Aegis Throat and Décolletage Cream, which is a deluxe sample size, and it's rated for 5 pounds. And this one here, which is I received from L'Occitane, the creme, the dry skin hand cream, it has 30 ml. This is also deluxe sample size, travel size, and it's rated for 9 pounds. And I honestly prefer receiving hand cream at the moment. The Pry, I have few more in here in my collection, and it never works on my skin. I usually apply a normal moisturizer, like a day cream moisturizer or night cream moisturizer on my neck, because I found it's like another step on my skincare, and I prefer at the moment, because of the cold outside, receive a hand cream, because I have really like a bad dry cuticle, dry hands at the moment. So I'm glad that I received this one, and I have this one before from L'Occitane. This is a really good product. As you can see, I have in here with this one we received, and it's very thick consistency. Let me try it for you guys. I show you. Don't know if you can see, lovelies, but it's very thick consistency, as you can see. Very moisturizing one. It's not really greasy at all. It absorbs really quickly, so it's perfect for my workplace. So yes, I always bring with me this one everywhere, because as I said, I really have a really bad dry skin at the moment, and I pop on the top of the eyeliner. It doesn't move the eyeliner. I'm honestly impressed with this eyeliner. So yes, here we go. Very hydrating one. I love it. So yes, that's all for my unboxing. So let's recap, lovelies. So this month you will receive from Jergobe, which is a travel size, the niacinamide serum. It has 15 ml. The Color Wow 1 minute transformation styling cream. It has 30 ml. This is just a travel size. 2 full size product, one from the brand TYNT Phantom Liner. I'm really impressed with this eyeliner. I can't wait to try it on my eyes. And this one here from Aurica, the perfume stick. I never tried this one, and it smells gorgeous, lovely. It smells like florally, like a mild floral scent. It's not really overpowering scent. So yes. And this one here, you either receive this one, L'Occitane hand cream, or the other 2 products that I mentioned before. I don't remember, but yeah, but this one I'm glad that I received it because I love L'Occitane hand cream. Very hydrating one. So yes, I'm happy for this. So yes, overall, lovelies, I'm really like impressed of this box. We have quite few new products in here, like new brand, new products. Like I mean, for me, I never heard of the perfume stick, a hand cream one, which is an essential for me at the moment, the serum one, and the color one, which is I'm really curious to try. So yeah, overall for me, it's a thumbs up. And for you, lovelies, what do you think of this box? Did you receive already your box? What products did you receive? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to also click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.